think back, like we all have our biggest pain points in our businesses, from week to week, month to month. So just, think about what's the hardest part about marketing, your damage restoration business online. I mean, it's, what should you do? I mean, it's obviously extremely competitive, unfortunately, but that's just the way it is, right? There's nothing we can do about that. So we gotta, this is the battle we've chosen, so we just gotta figure out how to win it. So just to give you guys an example, I mean, this was kind of one of our clients that came to us last year in Charlotte, and his biggest question, I mean, and this seems to be, I mean, all of our question, right? Like we all need more leads, more customers, right? Or in our world, it's more jobs, whether it be dry outs, mold removal. If you do that, some of you guys specialize in the fire stuff, so everybody's kind of got their own niche, but they at the end of the day, we're all damage restoration related. So, man, the interesting thing is 97% of consumers look online before buying locally. And I mean, this is true in our world too. I mean, yeah, I understand like a lot, some networks will give you guys jobs, some insurance, agencies will give you guys jobs, plumber referrals. Like, I understand that, but there's a ton of business that can be scooped up on the internet. Like a lot of people now, if their basement floods, I mean, they don't have their insurance, they might not have their insurance policy handy or nearby. They pull out their cell phone, they type in, my house flooded, who can I call? And then they call, one of the top results. I mean, we see it all day, every day. So it's only going to trend upward, right? Like every desktop traffic is slowly going down and mobile traffic is increasing, with all the technology and smartphones. So, one thing that, they came to a Restoration One and Charlotte came to us with is, how do we, dominate the internet in the local area? And at the end of the day, it's kind of what whether it's Facebook, Instagram, SEO, paid ads, like it's all a means to an end, right? We want more leads, more jobs, right? So the tricky part is figuring out the best combination locally to drive the most business. So, that's kind of what we work with on them. And then, you got to make sure you have a website to convert. And then you also want to put that website in front of traffic. A good looking website doesn't do you a whole lot of good if nobody's going to it, right? So it's kind of a catch-22 and they go hand in hand. You got to have a good, well-optimized converting website, but you also have to get traffic to that website, which leads to phone calls, which leads to more jobs for you guys. So, you got to be thinking about this from multiple angles, especially next year too. Like, we do come across a few companies that might not even have a website yet, right? They just kind of built their business up on referrals and people they know and networks. But, people are starting to realize that, it's almost 2020. The internet is obviously not going away. And it's time to start thinking about, your online presence and how you can maximize, your lead flow, next year and moving forward. So, and this is just an example, right? And this stuff's always shifting, but I mean, you can get a ton of phone calls. I'm sure you guys have seen that the 3-pack and the organic down below. I mean, that's how you start to take over a market, is when your company is showing up, everywhere. So how does that happen? Is, I mean, you got to hit this from multiple angles. You got to get a lot of good online reviews. You got to have somebody working on your SEO. You got to optimize your Google My Business, keep it updated, add pictures. I mean, so there's kind of a formula that Google likes and wants to see as you do this. And I mean, this is an example, of a month, but they got 63 leads in a month. That's not too bad. I mean, I've seen better, I've seen worse, but I know a lot of guys I talk to, they're like, man, if I can just get a couple extra good leads a week, it'd be a game changer for us. So just keep that in mind. I mean, that's really, what kind of leads do you want? And we'll get into this more as we go, but just what kind of lead volume do you want per month rolling into 2020? Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.